I created MasterBrides because I feel passionately that all brides should have access to world-class advice when it comes to planning their wedding, no matter what their budget is. Did you know less than 30% of brides actually hire some type of planner, and yet 40% of brides are over budget? Here lies the disconnect. Hi, I'm Amy Grace, and I'm a certified wedding coordinator, and I've been in business for over 17 years, and I'm here to shake up the wedding industry. Brides are feeling more and more pressure to have a perfect wedding that's not only creating a lot of anxiety, especially increasing the closer they get to their wedding day, but a strain on their finances and ultimately feeling friction with their fiancé and family. MasterBrides is a virtual wedding planning subscription. Every bride is placed in a tribe of women who are getting married in the same month she is. This helps us laser focus on issues and tasks at hand that need to be accomplished that month to make sure her planning is on track. Every month, video tutorials, worksheets, and live trainings are released on how and what you should be doing to ensure a wedding day success. You will learn from top industry professionals in photography, catering, venue spaces, videography, floristry, and much, much more. Ask me questions on the live monthly Q&A on tough spots that you're having during your planning process. Then, put those into the technology-leading platforms that we use in the industry to help our clients stay on track and maintain their goals through their wedding day process. Tools like Timeline Genius and Aisle Planner will help you keep track, fully communicate with your vendors everything you want to happen, and allow you peace of mind that your wedding was perfectly planned, allowing you to hand over the necessary tools on your wedding day so that they can execute. This is an industry-leading program that's going to revolutionize the way we help brides take control of the planning process. I want to help them reduce stress, focus on the things that matter most in their wedding planning, and actually live their wedding in first person. So join today. I can't wait to help you not just plan your wedding, but master it.